Hey everyone, today we're at this, it's called the car wash. Apparently this is supposed to be called the clean car wash, but I don't know. This is at the Oklahoma area, new to like Route 66 area. We got a Washworld razor. I think it's working. Let's see if it's actually working or not. I thought it for a second it was out of service. Let's see. Alright, it has free vacuums, which is amazing. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do a walkthrough to the car wash. Alright, let's go and walk to the car wash. It got rare dryers, by the way, but we're about to take a look. Anyway, you got your pay station over here. It's a Washworld Racer 2nd gen. That's cool. Second time I'm going to do that one. This one's no undercarriage. Wow, no undercarriage on this one. There's your base. Blue. Very nice blue over here. It's kind of quite interesting, this car wash. What's this? Spectra Ray. I think it got like some underglow thing. Over here we got your jets over here. There's no tri-foam in this one? Oh wow. This might be a ripoff, guys. This might be a ripoff. Oh, it must be one of the... If this thing has probably like... I don't know. This probably has some maybe chemicals that you know, it's probably worth for $16. So see, we got your wash arm over here. It's kind of beaten up. Over here we got your dryers over here. These are rare, man. First time I've seen one of those. I keep forgetting what these called, man. Pro Vest dryers, I think that's what they call them. Let me know in the comments below what these dryers called again. Oh, never mind. There's no need to comment. We got Pro Vest dryers over here. These are rare, man. That's cool. I'm gonna take a quick pic about that. This is gonna be special. All right, let's go ahead and pay the wash. And of course, your status sign. Why is it folding mirrors? Well, I guess we're gonna listen to this. All right, let's go ahead and enter the wash. All right, so let's go ahead and pay. We're gonna go for the $16 wash. So we got the basic for 9, good for 11, better for the 13, and the best for the 16. Here we go. Let's go for the 17.
Please insert payment.
Oh, they moved $1 up. Oh, okay. Let's see how this thing goes. Here we go.
Please wait while you're... Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
All right, let's go in. Oh, wow, look. You got a quarter. Okay, let's get in. All right, let's go ahead and enter the wash. Here we go. All right. So no undercarriage on this one. Highly recommend you should put an undercarriage. Anyways, let's pull forward. Stop. Put the car in park and let the wash begin. This thing doesn't talk. All right. Here we go. Oh wow, look at that. The jets are actually not working on the top. Wow. I like doing it nice and slow, though. Yeah, it's water recovers to pre-soak. Well, I see safe folding the mirrors. It's pretty tight today. They probably need to replace the wash arm this one, so here comes the second pass of pre-soak. Oh, that's a much better coverage. Now we should be soaking. Ice still soaking. Now we should get the high pressure rinse. Here we go. Ooh, okay. Yeah, but still, these nozzles do not work properly. I highly probably recommend you probably change the nozzles on that one. Nice double pass. This thing is doing slow, which is good to get all the dirt off. This thing is doing a not bad job. I haven't seen a Washworld razor done that. That's really good. All right, what's next? Next is sealant. Once again, this one doesn't have any triple foam polish, which is really weird. I think it better have something maybe like ceramic or anything, I don't know. Okay. That was moving fast. Already in spot-free rinse? Are you kidding me? Okay, well, that is one fast pass for like $16. Looks like now it's doing stuff right now. No spot-free rinse? Are you kidding me? Oh, no. Oh, this is an EPIC fail. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, well, it's just dripping water. Oh, this is lovely. We got no spot-free rinse. This is definitely a ripoff. Alright, well, about dry forces dryers. Let's see. I hope the dryers work. Here, start up. Alright, let's see how the dryers do. Since there's no spot-free rinse, there's going to be a poor drying performance, which is lovely. Yeah, we can understand that Pro Vest dryers are not 100% the best dryers ever, but at least we experienced one Pro Vest dryers. Alright, let's go. So, I have no words to describe about this car wash. So, the jets were not working. I mean, the pre-soak and the rinse were good, but there was no spot-free rinse. I never experienced a no spot-free rinse on the channel. So, I don't know about this one because this is going to leave water spots everywhere. So, let's go ahead and see the after results. Alright, so here's the after result. The car wash did a terrible job cleaning the car. I am very disappointed with this place, because it gave off no spot-free rinse, guys. So I don't know, we have any like a towel to dry this off. I mean, it did all right. Ignore the loud music too. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have to give it a, well, let's say this. This is why I'm probably gonna give a plus point. You got a free vacuum. I'll give it a 3.5 out of 10 because there was no spot-free rinse. It was a ripoff. The nozzles were not working, and yeah. So I'll give it a 3.5 out of 10. That was kind of horrible. If the car owner is watching this video, please fix your machine as soon as possible. Let's take a look at manual bathe. I'm not sure what manual bathe this system is, but let's see. We got tire cleaner, pre-soak, engine cleaner, high pressure rinse, foam brush, soap, wax, rinse, spot-free rinse. I don't know why these three are off. 3 offs. We got your foam brush over here. Very hard, wow. We got your hose. It's missing like little tip parts over here. Please hang your hose well. I mean, there's no triple foam wax on this one though. And let's see, there's some couple signs I want to show you guys. Free vacuums, that's good. But I don't know about this. High pressure rinse in town, this is kind of a little show off, you know? They're trying to show off so people get more attraction. Hottest water in Oklahoma, of course. They're trying to get attraction. But yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching for this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.